How to invest in gold, silver, and other precious metals. What if everything you're working for, your savings, your investments, your future, could vanish overnight with a single market crash? But what if I told you that while the world burns, some people don't panic? They prepare. They hold something that never loses all its value. Something real, tangible, trusted for thousands of years, precious metals. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to invest in gold, silver, and other precious metals, even if you're just starting out. And no, you don't need a vault or a pirate ship. So buckle up, because by the end of this, you'll know how to protect your wealth and maybe even build it. The journey, the 5 core lessons, why precious metals still matter today. Gold and silver have outlasted empires, currencies, and even crypto hype trains. Why? Because unlike paper money, they're finite, universally accepted, and immune to political manipulation. When inflation eats your paycheck and banks feel shaky, guess what people run to? That's right, precious metals. I mean, when's the last time your great-great-grandfather said, "Wish I bought more Dogecoin"? Didn't think so. Whether you're prepping for the next recession or just want a safety net, metals are your financial insurance policy. And unlike your phone battery, they don't die overnight. But here's the twist. Owning metals the wrong way can cost you more than it protects. Let's break it down. Physical versus paper metals. Which is right for you? Physical metals, like coins and bars, offer true ownership. No counterparty risk, no what-ifs. It's yours, you can hold it. But then there's paper gold, ETFs, mutual funds, mining stocks. Easier to buy, easier to trade, but less control. Think of it this way. Owning a gold ETF is like saying you own a cow because you have a glass of milk. The real question is, do you want access or ownership? Either way, there's a right time to buy and a very wrong one. Let's talk timing. When to buy precious metals. Most people buy gold when they're scared, after the crash, after the dollar falls, after it's too late. But the smart move? Buy before the panic. Buy when others are distracted chasing trends. Buy when metals are undervalued. Waiting for the perfect time is like waiting for the gym to feel easy. It doesn't. You just show up. A good rule of thumb? Allocate 5 to 10% of your portfolio to precious metals before the storm hits. But be warned, not all metals are created equal. One in particular could outperform the rest in the coming decade. Why silver might be the sleeper investment of the decade. Everyone talks about gold, but silver? It's the underdog, the Robin to gold's Batman. And in 2025, it might just take the spotlight. Why? Because silver isn't just a store of value. It's also an industrial metal, used in EVs, solar tech, and future electronics. With green energy booming and global demand rising, silver has a rare double role, economic and industrial demand. And it's way more affordable. No, it's not going to 10x overnight. But when the world realizes silver is critical to the future, you'll want to already be in. So, how exactly do you start investing? Where do you buy? What should you avoid? Let's get practical. How to start investing, step by step. First, choose your path, physical metals or digital exposure. For physical, look for reputable dealers. Avoid fancy collector coins. Stick with bullion, gold or silver bars, standard coins like the American Eagle. For digital, consider ETFs like GLD, gold, or SLV, silver, or mining stocks for more risk reward. Second, think storage, a safe, a deposit box, or even a secure vault service. If you're burying it in the backyard, maybe don't tell TikTok. Third, track it. Just because it's safe doesn't mean it's set and forget. Keep an eye on markets, especially during economic shifts. Investing in metals isn't about fear, it's about freedom. It's about saying, I don't trust the system blindly, I trust myself. The payoff, call to action and closure. You now have the tools, the knowledge, the mindset. So here's the final question. Will you wait for another crisis to make your move, or will you act now and build the foundation for your future wealth? Because while others scroll past, laugh at gold memes, or chase hype, you'll be holding something real, something powerful. Remember, building wealth isn't about being lucky, it's about being prepared. Like this video if you found value, subscribe if you're serious about mastering your money, and comment below, are you team gold, team silver, or team both? Stay sharp, stay strategic, and I'll see you in the next one.